To connect Wi-Fi in laptop, bring your cursor to this area, which I call Quick Action Center, okay? Once you take your cursor here, click, okay? And then ensure that this connectivity signal is turned on, okay? Make sure it is like this, it shows blue. This is Windows 11 laptop that I'm using, okay? But the same applies if you're using Windows 10. After that, click this arrow that points towards the right. This displays some network that are turned on around you. That is, some devices whose hotspot is turned on that you can connect to. Okay? If you do not see the network you want to connect to on this list, maybe a router or a phone hotspot, just wait for about a minute. Or you can turn this off and turn it on as well. If the device you want to connect to is close to you, still turn the hotspot off and turn it on. Alright? Then it will show up here. So once it shows up here, click on it. Here I want to connect to this network. Alright? Then hit connect. And here the connection has taken place. You can see connected. Okay? If the network is not an open network, you may be required to enter the password of the network you are connecting before you hit the connect button. Okay? If you have access to the device you are connecting to and you have the password, you enter it and then connect. But if it's an open network, password will not be required from you. So these are just the simple steps you need to take to connect a laptop to a Wi-Fi. I hope this guide helps. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you some other time.